Hello everybody, my name is Khalid Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the known issue with Apple Watches in which the battery as it gets older it swells, and the swelling is sometimes so severe that it literally pops open the screen, and that's the situation we are in right now. So we have an Apple Watch which the screen has literally popped out. So here's how it all started. So basically the Apple Watch was working fine, and one night when we left it, we set it on the dock for charging. Next morning, this is how it was. So I ordered the battery, and I'm going to replace the battery because the battery has swollen. Now, if you are lucky enough that the actual battery swells and actually opens the Apple Watch for you, you are really lucky, because not everybody is that lucky. Most of the time, you have to butcher with it yourself in trying to open it. Sometimes you break the screen, sometimes you damage the watch. So, what's very important is that very tiny cable. Can you see that cable right there? Yeah, that tiny cable is going to break. So that is very important to unplug in a very careful manner so it doesn't break. Okay, so let's unplug that. Okay. Okay, so now, since this is the first time I'm doing, I just realized that you don't necessarily have to unplug that. Just it's because it's actually stuck somewhere else. So I'm going to unglue it like that, as you can see. Okay, so here is the swollen battery. The swollen battery. You need better glasses. Okay, so I'm going to okay, so the battery is glued. Oh my god. They glued the battery. Can you believe that? Okay, so you see this plug, you have to put a screwdriver like this and twist it so the plug comes out without breaking that. And this battery is seriously swollen. I mean, it's seriously swollen. Look at this battery. It's crazy. It's like a balloon nearly. Okay, so let's see the aftermarket battery that I bought on eBay. This is a aftermarket battery that I purchased on eBay. Okay, seems like a nice little battery. Not bad at all. At least it's not swollen. Okay, so it does have glue. The aftermarket battery does come with the glue, which you need to remove the plastic and the glue will be revealed. Okay. So let's plug this puppy back in. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in. Plug this back in. And push this puppy down. And close the watch. Now the question is, how am I gonna re-glue this? I'm gonna have to re-glue this because this ain't gonna stay there. This is not gonna stay there. Yeah. Okay, so the brand new battery doesn't have any charge at all. So, unfortunately, I cannot test it before I close it. I have to let it sit in the dock. Okay, so I let it sit on the dock for like 5-6 minutes. And there you go. Puppy is up and running. Now I know the screen is gonna pop open, so I'm gonna have to glue all around it. And I would have to see where I'm gonna buy the glue, because I was expecting whatever I need would come with this aftermarket kit. But no, there is no glue in this aftermarket kit. Well, anyways, I hope you found this educational. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.